Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're interested in the X11, a link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the Ecovacs home map right here. We've selected our X11 and front and center we have map your home. So we can select that. It gives us some tips and tricks to make sure everything's organized and out of the way. You have all the doors open in your house where you want the rooms mapped and doors closed in your house where you don't want it to map or go. And you position the station exactly where you want it. So for us, before we select start mapping, let's go set this in the spot where it needs to be, and then we'll create our map. All right, we have it positioned, so we're gonna select start mapping. And here we go. It's talking, letting you know that it's going out to map. It'll take a couple of minutes, and the map will start to populate on screen. So now we wait. All right, it took like 6 minutes to make our map. Simple and straightforward. It's back at the station. This is what the app looks like now. So we can select next with the tutorial how to use the map. So it walks us through some key features here, and then it takes us to our cleaning. So take a look. Everything looks great here. Simple, straightforward. Our map is exactly how we wanted it. And you'll notice right-hand center side of the screen, there's a zone option and a map option. We can select that map option. And then we have area naming, virtual boundaries, divide, combine, furniture, walls. So we can expand walls, material, carpet, threshold ramp, or delete area. So we can make fine-tune adjustments right here within the map. And at the very top, you'll notice a plus icon. If we had a second level or a basement or something like that where we wanted to have multi-level mapping, this is where we can go ahead and create another map by enabling multi-floor mode. And then we can have another map right there. And again, same access to edit our map. Simple, straightforward. Get access to everything. Hit that plus icon if you want to add a new map to map a new area. But that's what it looks like to create your first map, an initial map, and then other maps as well using the Ecovacs home app with your Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni.